Hi lovely people, I'm Shivangj and you are here on my channel Shimmery Vlogs. So today I'm gonna show you a little DIY night cream and I'm gonna apply it on my face and show you how you can also apply it and use it on winter days. Even in daily routine also you can make this cream and apply to your face, or you can use it as a moisturizer as well. So yeah, let's make the DIY night cream, or you can also say DIY aloe cream, DIY coconut cream. Okay, I think you get the hint. So now we will quickly make the DIY cream. Let's start. So for making today's DIY night cream, I have taken some aloe vera gel and coconut oil. Okay, so I also have this Good Vibes aloe vera gel. So for now I'm using this. Okay. Okay. Now we will add little bit of coconut oil into it. Okay, around 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now we will mix it together to convert it into a creamy consistency, and I will show you. Okay, just mix it together. As you can see, it is forming in a creamy consistency. So as you can see, it has converted in this sort of creamy consistency. No one can ever say that this is normal aloe vera gel and coconut oil cream, and seriously, trust me, you will wonder that why you haven't found this before. Trust me guys. Okay, so now I am applying it on my face. Now we will apply this cream which we have just made. We will apply this cream on my face and on my hands as well. Okay, so let's apply. And I have not applied anything on my face. I have just applied this lipstick. That's it. And literally, it soothes your skin. And it is not any sponsored video from Good Vibes. I'm a normal consumer like you, and I'm making this video for you guys. Okay, this is not at all sponsored from Good Vibes or from any other company. Okay. See. After applying this, you will feel that your skin is feeling that cooling sense, and instantly if your skin is feeling dry, then it will feel moisturized, more moisturized. So it will gonna help you. And if you think that it will be sticky because it has coconut oil, then you can just convert it into a night cream. Just apply before you sleep. Okay, now I'm gonna apply it on my hands as well. And the thing is, always I use Patanjali aloe vera gel. First time I'm using Good Vibes aloe vera gel for making this night cream. Eventually I always use Patanjali. Just look at my skin and the glow. And you can also apply this cream to your hairs as well. Okay, so now I will show you how you can apply this. Take little bit of this cream. Okay, and just apply on the ends. Okay, the dry ends. always do this, always, seriously. Also, if you are shampooing the next day, one day before you can apply this cream. Even before 2 hours also you can apply this cream. Okay, I always use Patanjali aloe vera gel, but right now I'm using the Good Vibes one. It is your choice, whatever you want to use, whichever brand. See, instant glow, instant shine. It gives instant shine to your hairs. So this is a cream for whole body. Okay, you can apply this cream on your face, on your neck, on as a moisturizer on your body, on your hands, in your palms as a hand cream, in your food as a food cream, and in your hair as a hair cream, as a what to say. And also you can use this cream in the hair spas as well. If you are doing hair spa at home, I will make hair spa at home video also, so you can apply this cream on your hairs as well. And even as a leave-in conditioner also you can apply this cream. It has no harms and simply it is amazing. And you can make this cream within 2 minutes. Not even take 2 minutes to make, seriously. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and we gonna meet in my next video. Until then, bye. Take care. Take good care of yourself and your family. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, Shimmery Vlogs, and follow me on Instagram as well for my life updates. Bye guys. I hope this video helped you in some way. Okay, if it does, please like the video. Okay, bye.